how'd it go? I think I saw you getting your shot. Was it okay?
Yes, it was.
She must be excellent because it was.
You ain't hear no screaming.
I didn't hear it, yes, so she did a great job. Yeah.
We spent 2 days with Prince George's County Executive Angela Alsobrooks, touring 3 county vaccination sites and watching her lead a massive operation.
I had to come down here and check on you guys.
COVID-19 consumes much of her time and emotion.
What has this done for you emotionally as a county executive and knowing that we've lost 1,000 people?
This has been such a difficult year. I mean, I could have never in my wildest dreams, of all the challenges I thought I would have, this was not anywhere close to what I imagined. Last year around this time, I was petrified. I really was. I was so frightened. You know, the prospect that with all of the underlying conditions that we had here, the structural health disparities that existed prior to the pandemic. How was your experience?
During this pandemic, we were sicker than anybody else in the state, and guess what happened? We had to bring tractor trailers and have them in the parking lots at the hospital to care for people who needed ICU space.
While Alsobrooks has been busy trying to get COVID-19 under control, she's also been confronting the crisis in policing. Calls for change in community policing intensified after the death of George Floyd and after allegations of racism and discrimination within the Prince George's County Police Department. Alsobrooks pledged in February to implement 46 of 50 proposed recommendations by the Police Reform Work Group, which include updating policing strategies and committing more resources to mental health services. For Alsobrooks, police reform is personal.
1956, July 4th, my great-grandfather was murdered in Seneca, South Carolina by a sheriff's deputy. My mother was 9 years old at the time, and this was a very, very devastating occurrence for our family. We were told that if the family didn't leave, they'd kill the whole family. So my family came about a week after this up north. Nobody was ever held accountable for the murder of my great-grandfather. But what we do know is that over the years, my family has not been alone in what we have experienced. So the legislation that we saw in Annapolis recently allows us to hold accountable officers who need to be held accountable.
Some of that recent legislation includes restricting no-knock warrants, a statewide use of force policy, giving the public access to records in police disciplinary cases, and requiring police use body cameras statewide by 2025.
Good officers don't want to work with officers who participated in malfeasance.
And while she says she's focused on Prince George's County, many are speculating she may run for governor. She wouldn't confirm a run for the governor's mansion, but we asked this.
If the party said, we need you now, what are you going to say to that?
Yeah, oh my gosh, you know what? That's hard, right? And we'll answer that question, you know, as it comes.